Let's take a look at our punch clock and payroll reconciliation. Punch clock is set up in minutes. All you need is a tablet. Locations can be easily changed or multiplied with the use of additional devices. It improves accuracy and increases profitability. Used with the scheduler, brings added value by increasing efficiency of payroll and providing you with additional data. There are two ways your employees can clock in and out of their shifts and breaks. Using a simple 4-digit PIN or PIN plus image option, which you can enable to capture a photo with their every clock activity. Let's start with adjusting the payroll settings to your preferences. As a result, any clock activity within the set thresholds will not be marked as an exception and will be automatically approved. You can also decide if the times will remain the same as the clock times or adjusted to scheduled shift times. You can also set thresholds for breaks and decide if the unpaid break deductions will be based on scheduled or clock break duration. Let's see how payroll settings affect the payroll. Any exceptions will be flagged up. If we start to look through the records, you'll see that this person clocked in late but within the permitted threshold, therefore it has been automatically approved. This employee has clocked in and out a little early but still within the threshold. Here we have an exception. The employee forgot to clock out. This can be adjusted and approved within seconds. This is especially useful if your employees tend to clock in a couple of minutes early before their shift. Once all of the records have been approved, it's time to export the timesheet. We offer multiple export options to choose from, with further customizations to make sure you can export exactly what you need. The timesheet with all selected information will be downloaded as an Excel file, ready to be uploaded to your payroll software. To find out more, visit giggrafter.com.